Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to find FB groups related to social media marketing. So guys, in order for you to do that, just simply go ahead and go to the search bar over here on the top left corner of the screen and just simply provide the keyword social media marketing and just simply enter. And now from here, to narrow it down, you can just simply go ahead and click on groups over here. So all of the results will be just group only. And now, as you can see, guys, you will have an option here near me. So you can see all of the available groups that are available on Facebook that are near in your location. And now you can also provide a city over here. And you can also filter out by public groups or my groups. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And over here, you should be able to see all of the groups that are available in social media marketing. And now, guys, just simply provide the right keyword in order for you to join the right group as well. So you can experiment with other keyword as well, not just social media marketing. You can just simply go for media marketing and you will have a different result. But remember, you have to filter it out by going to the groups over here. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.